Hello, and welcome to the Field Library's very first virtual tour around the world. I'm Mrs. Stein.
I'm Mrs. Sitz.
And I'm Miss Allison.
I'm Miss Rachel, and we're going to be your tour guides for today.
I want to thank all of our community partners for creating these fabulous country videos.
All right, let's pack up and get going. Favorite backpack? A passport?
All right, does everybody have their camera? And a map?
Sunscreen.
And away we go. Hi, I'm Anita, and welcome to Passports Around the World. Grab your passport and follow me on a trip to Italy, a country in Europe with 20 regions. Italy is known for its famous landmarks in Rome of the Roman Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Pisa, and Venice, the city of canals on water. Its famous products are olive oil, pasta, tomato sauce, and black espresso coffee. And of course, my favorite, gelato. Delicious.
Everyone, I hope you're ready for a great trip. We're all packed and we're gonna go in an airplane over to Spain. And here we have the Spanish flag. And we're going to visit a special city called Barcelona in Spain. And there's the Barcelona flag. Barcelona has lots and lots of beautiful things. Beautiful churches, beautiful gardens, plants, and very interesting architecture. There are all sorts of beautiful buildings you'll want to draw. You'll want to think of painting them. You'll wish that you lived here. There was a very famous architect named Gaudi who lived in Barcelona, and he designed many of these special buildings, including a basilica, a cathedral called Sacra Familia. And we're going to see pictures of that. We'll probably see lots of flags. And if you're really sharp-eyed, you may see a McDonald's. Keep an eye out. Well, come on, I'm ready to go. Take off.
Hello, tour around the world, world travelers, and welcome to China. China is the fourth largest country in the world and is home to many different cultures, ethnic groups, languages, and dialects. There are 23 provinces in China, each one with their own local dialect. However, Mandarin is the national language. The capital city of China is Beijing, where in 2008 they held the Summer Olympic Games. The Great Wall of China is one of China's most iconic landmarks. Other icons you can find while visiting China are the Forbidden City, the Terracotta Soldiers, and the Giant Panda. Lunar New Year is celebrated towards the end of January, early February, when the new Chinese calendar begins. During Lunar New Year, children receive red and gold lucky envelopes, which normally hold money. Each Lunar New Year is symbolized with one of 12 different zodiac animals. This year is the year of the rat, and next year will be the year of the ox. Thank you for visiting China, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the tour.
To our virtual 2020 Field Library Tour around the world. There is a small, beautiful island called Puerto Rico, which is 3,500 square miles, bordered by the Caribbean Sea and North Atlantic Ocean. From left to right, you will see our famous tiny tree frog named Coqui. He will live in your ears forever. He is an unofficial mascot and is only found in Puerto Rico. We move along, and I can say Puerto Ricans celebrate many holidays during the year, ending with Christmas and most celebrated on January 6th, Three Kings Day, which was set to honor and bring gifts to baby Jesus. The three kings have been named Little Christmas, celebrated all over the world, where the children receive their gifts. We share our music with musical instruments like guitar, drums, guidos, and our famous maracas. Let's not forget our delicious food like rice, arroz, with pigeon peas, gandules, cooked with pork, with side of pasteles, and a rice pudding for dessert. Yummy, yummy. All of our towns have something to offer for entertainment, starting with the capital of San Juan. Especially our nightlife. Unforgettable. where our tourists. Let me read a little bit about our nightlife. Where there are San Juaneras, there's a party. Puerto Rican people love to get dressed up, dance, socialize, and get together. And the metropolitan area gets jammed with traffic on the weekends as everyone hurries to the next hot spot. Puerto Ricans take dressing up seriously, day or night. So don't hold back on elegance when you get ready to paint the town red.
Hello, good afternoon. Today we are going to travel to my country, Mexico. We are going to do like this because I had to show you too much stuff. First, we have many kind of food to eat it. You will love it. Then we have many toys like you can play all the time, and it's very colorful toys. Most of the games are like boards games like Loteria, that is like the bingo in USA. We have serpents and ladders, okay? And also one game that is the Oca. So this is like the board games to do with your family. We have also dancing, music that is so very happy music. Then we have like, you see this jewelry? It's handmade. It's beautiful clothing like you see, and also this beautiful hat that is sombrero. We call sombrero and goes with the mariachi. Now, about the dresses, we have many kind of dresses in each state. We have many states, but the principals I'm going to show you right there. Okay? Now, what about people? People are so happy, so nice, so beautiful, and they love to work. Believe it or not, doesn't matter how old you are, people like to work. You can see children cleaning your shoes. You can see old ladies doing beautiful stuff to sell to you. Something about Mexicans that we love to do art crafts is like we like to do everything like miniatura, you know, like little things, toys, brooms, little cups, food, anything that you want to do it, you can buy it like this. It's so cute. And also now, what about the towns? We have beautiful places. We have different cultures, like from the past, like we have Maya, Aztecs, Toltecas, Olmecas, many kind. But also we mix with Spain, because remember, Spain came to Mexico to conquer us, and they give us Spanish, and they give us religion. Now, for that reason also, we are very religious country. Everything that we have sometimes is about Jesus moms that became in necklaces, bracelets, earrings, any stuff, more than stamps. We have a lot of faith. Always, doesn't matter what. We try to fix everything, but if we can fix it, the last solution is to pray. And this is the Virgin of Guadalupe that is very famous. Now also, Mexico has beautiful architecture, like pyramids, and nowadays, beautiful buildings like from church. Everything has to be colorful. Now, the beach. What about the beach? We have beautiful places that you can see the water is so blue, like mixed with the sky. I wish to go there all year long, but I had to be here. And also, there is one way, easy way to know my country. You don't have to go, because maybe you don't have the time. But if you go to the library, you can find a lot of beautiful books that they can tell you more and more and more stuff about my country, about beautiful people, like you can see in these beautiful quick pictures. Okay, so see you soon. Don't miss it. Go to my country. I love Mexico. Bye.
This is my dog Flag. and he would like to salute everybody who wants to be a United States citizen. And we would like you to repeat after us. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Welcome to the United States.
We hope you enjoyed your travels.
And thanks again to everyone for helping us celebrate the diversity in our community.
Hope to see you for next year's tour around the world.
Hopefully in person. Bye.
Bye.